Enhancing focus and attention. Establish a distraction-free environment. Can that is even possible, right? I love my teachers because they started this thing called the Zen 10, right? And I was like, what's a Zen 10? And so I was in the car last night driving home with one of my kids, and they were like, she's a junior, she's like, I love Zen 10, right? Because we don't have a distraction-free environment because we have devices with us at all times. Those things go off constantly, so it's not a distractive-free environment. Find time for that. Break down tasks into smaller segments. We've talked about that, right? That planning and prioritizing. Positive reinforcement. We're always quick as a society to tell you, you didn't do that right. You're not good enough. You haven't finished that task. Oh, you only got a B? Well, did you not study hard enough, right? We live in an environment where we're more apt to focus on the negative versus the positive. Wow, you worked really hard on that. That's okay that you only wrote a sentence and a half. Look how much time you spent on doing that. You should be proud of yourself, right? Or they're able to calm themselves down quicker than they used to in the past. Acknowledge the positives, because then they create that cycle. They want that from you versus that focus on the negative. And it's really hard when those behaviors are like so challenging, right? And if you can just pick one positive every day to say to your kid, it makes a huge difference, because I'm sure there's a lot of negatives that you can look at.
Hi, this is Jessica, and I would like to thank you for watching. I do hope you found it helpful to your life situation. If you ever wish to talk about our wild programs, please reach out by contacting me through my email address or our contact form on our website. I do hope you are having a wonderful day.